Today we're going to take a look at the Anker Zolo Power Bank to see if it's any good and to see whether you should consider buying one. Taking a look at the design, it feels really well built and really good quality. It has a panel that runs up the front of the power bank, and at the top of that panel there's a display that allows you to see the percentage of charge that the power bank has. The display stays on while the power bank is plugged in. This lets you know where the charge of the power bank is up to. They come in a few colours, including black, which is one I've got. They also come in white, blue and pink. So there's colours to suit everybody. The power bank comes with a built-in USB-C cable, so you can essentially carry the power bank around with no extra wires. Performance-wise, the power bank supports fast charging with 30-watt output, so it makes the charger capable of charging an iPhone 15 to 50% in just 30 minutes. On a daily use scenario, the power bank offers 2 full iPhone charges. That's where the display comes in handy, because you can see the remaining battery life that the charger has. Along with the USB-C cable, the power bank comes with extra ports so you can plug more than one device in. But I have found when trying to charge my iPad Pro that it is extremely slow to charge. If the iPad Pro is on and being used, it doesn't actually take any extra charge, it just seems to level out and stay where it is. So if you're looking for a power bank that has more power, you'll be better off looking at a power bank that has a higher milliamp. This one has a 10,000 milliamp battery, so it is designed just to charge smaller devices like iPhones or AirPods, which does make it perfect for traveling. Pros of the charger: 30-watt charging, so that supports fast charging. Built-in USB-C cable, you can potentially use it without taking extra cables. A digital display so you can see what charge the power bank has, and multiple ports. The cons are you can't replace the cable. The attached USB-C cable, if damaged, stays damaged. It can't be replaced. It can't charge larger devices, not efficiently. It's only made for smaller items. The display panel is a fingerprint magnet, so it will need regular cleaning. The pricing is really good on the charger though. It comes out at around £13 on Amazon. I'll leave a link below, so it is quite budget friendly. If you're in the market for a budget friendly power bank that looks nice and feels well built and also has a display, this power bank could potentially be the one you're looking for. If you found this video helpful, think about dropping me a like and a subscribe to the channel, because it does help me out and allows me to produce more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.